Got a fish on. Little guy. Not bad. Oh, dude, that's actually not a bad one at all. Oh, fuck. There. Send her back. Fish on. There you go. I think this is one of them landlocked salmons. Dude, this thing is fighting crazy. Let's go, dude. I don't know what this is. Trout, some kind of trout. Dude, this thing's going crazy. What the? Ugh. Another salmon. I think this is salmon. Alright, so I ended up getting a few today. Here they are. What's up, guys? It's Randy. I'm here with Gerald, the landlocked salmon. He was caught this morning, and we're cooking him up. Just to have him for dinner. So we'll see how this goes. Step one, you want your oven on 350, convection bake, or whatever. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just winging it, honestly. And then we're gonna gut this guy. So be right back. So next thing I'm gonna do is just scale him. I think that would be appropriate. Actually, no, these guys don't have a lot of scales. Okay, so now he's scaled, and look at him. You know, pretty big fish, probably 2-3 pounds maybe. And I think I'm just gonna clip the fins off. I just cut them. Maybe not. Maybe I'll just leave them. Yeah, whatever. The fins aren't a big deal. I don't feel like clipping them off. So, yeah, I'm gonna get them in some foil. Like, okay, here's your salmon. Has to be fresh. Oh, dude, I don't know what I want to do with this. So, I'm taking this stuff. I got it from my farmer's market. It's like Old Bay, but it's Narragansett Bay. So, it's pretty good. It's good stuff. I'm just gonna put a little of this on here. You know, how bad can it be, right? Just keeping it simple. Just like putting it on here. Just gonna score it, because this is a whole fish, and I kinda want the seasoning to get into the middle, and it'd be nice if it cooks evenly as well. So let me put some seasoning in here. Our fish, it's oiled, seasoned, and it's foiled. Now all we gotta do is just wrap her. I'm gonna make kind of like a tent looking thing. just like that. So, leave a little hole on top. And here's a sheet pan just to make sure nothing spills. So my fish is in here in the foil, and taking it to the oven. The oven's on 350 convection. Open the oven. Fish in the oven. Now, I'm gonna guess, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. So I will forget to set the timer, and then it'll be burnt by the time I come back. You guys, look at the size of that. Look at it. Dude, look at that bunny, dude. Look at him. Can you see him? Are you kidding? Look, he's digging a hole in my yard too. That thing is like 5 pounds. Okay, so this, I think this is done. You know, it's breaking apart pretty good. Yeah, and it's burning my fingers. So, yeah, this is a done fish, cooked fish. So, time to dig in. Okay, here it is. Here is the salmon. It looks absolutely horrific. Something very scary that you would not want to eat. And then I just got some rice and some veggies on the side. And yeah, we'll do a taste test. See how we doing over here. Alright. Here's the fish. Here's me. Here's a little piece. And hopefully it's good. We'll see though. You know, it's got that salmon taste. Pretty mild. For the most part, it's pretty good. Is it amazing? Not really. I mean, I would rather have a steak all day. Is it, you know, would I eat it again? I like to limit my stocked fish intake to, like, you know, once a year, twice a year. Yeah, this is pretty good. Is it amazing? No. It's more, it's aight. That's what it is, it's aight. And got probably like 12 ounces of meat here. I mean, it's not gonna go to waste. I'm gonna shove it all down. I might mix it with my rice. Put some more seasoning on it. You know, what I learned is that if you're not gonna eat the skin, all that skin has a lot of seasoning on it, so I'm just gonna put some more on here. Maybe I should skin it before, I don't know. I don't really want to eat the skin. But, you know, it feels good catching my own fish, eating it the same day, sustaining myself. You know, that's what humans did for millions of years. And pretty cool. So, if you like catch and cook videos, if you want me to do more, then definitely like this video and subscribe and tune in for more. Saltwater's coming up. You're gonna get tons of tautog, you know, bluefish, probably not striper, but fluke, sea bass. What's up, people? If you saw my part 1 of the most amazing catch and cook, I suggest you watch it. That was me cooking a landlocked salmon. Today I'm here with a brook trout, or no, this is a rainbow trout, and I caught this in a stocked pond. And first thing I'm gonna do is gut it, and then I'm gonna just cook it whole. And yeah, so that'll be good. Let me show you how I'm gonna do this. Just take it. Oh, oh. I just like to go down right here, down the stomach. Here it is. This would be a good thumbnail, right? Yeah, that would be a good thumbnail. So, here's the deal. If this video gets 2 likes, I'll do a video comparing the landlocked salmon and the brook trout, or the rainbow trout. I'll do a king of the stocked pond, trout versus salmon, which tastes better. And if this video gets 100,000 likes, I will eat the fish guts raw. Eat all the guts raw. That if this video gets 100,000 likes. And yeah, so that's it. Get me 100,000. Hello everyone, Chef Joe here. Have my rainbow trout that I caught yesterday. And first thing I did was oil this aluminum on a pan. And then I'm gonna take a knife and score the fish a few times. Some pepper. Just a very light dose. The frig.
It's a whole new way to develop chicken, a whole new way to walk, and a whole new way to order. Because it's only in the app.
Alright, too much.
It's a whole new way.
Alright, so just a little pepper. Take some garlic powder. Just, you know, a little bit. Enough to coat the outside. And then I got some salt. Put some salt on her. And that's one side. I'm gonna flip it over, do the same thing. Looking pretty good. So now I'm just gonna take it, fold these sides in, fold the foil, just like so. Now it's on a pan, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. Oven's preheated. I have it at 400 degrees. I'm gonna put it in here and forget about it. And then burn it. I'll be right back. Alright, this looks like a done trout. It's flaking apart pretty good. I'm gonna take it out of the oven. Here's the trout. It looks pretty good. A nice done trout.
Beautiful.
Here's your trout. Cooked trout. No, it looked that bad.
I just said it looks beautiful.
Oh, I'm talking to the camera now.
Oh.
Okay,
Thank you, Joe.
so I'm here with my mom, and this is her blind taste test. I just took it out of the oven. The skin came off, and we're going to try it. So go right ahead.
Well, did you say this is freshly caught trout?
Yes, freshly caught
From
trout. Whatever.
This looks actually beautiful. There's no bones.
The bones are in the middle.
So good.
Is it actually good?
It's actually delicious.
Oh wow.
It's actually delicious.
So here's the trout. My mom said it was good. Don't make fun of me. I'm only 16 years old. Don't make fun of me. I live with my parents still. Okay? Don't make fun of me. Here's a piece. Got a bone. Yeah, throw it out. Got another bone. As far as fish goes, isn't that bad.
So are you filming right now?
I am, yeah. Why?
I want to fill that time right now. Watching the tide.
Yeah. So I had the salmon yesterday. the trout today. They're both pretty good. It's trout. It's not the best. It's not bad. It's aight, in my opinion. And yeah, go get yourself some trout because they don't live through the summer, so might as well enjoy them now while they're here. So that's it. That's the video. Thank you. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Joe, and I am out.